सगळ्यांचें मत आशिल्लें की लॉकडावन 5 जेन्ना MHAचे गायडलायन नवीन येतली, कित्याक सगळ्यांक दिसता की फुडले 15 जून पर्यंत ते जावं शकता. सगळ्यांक आमचे सगळ्यांचे ओपिनियन आशिल्लें, मुख्यमंत्री कडेन सजेशन्स मागले सगळ्यां कडल्यान की लॉकडावन जो 15 जून पर्यंत तो पर्यंत आमी कांय करूं नये आनी जे कितें करूं मातशे स्ट्रिक्ट SOPs जाग्यार घालपाचे ते मुख्यमंत्री ठरयतले. कारण आमी आतां ठरयल्ले आसा, कांय गोश्टी ठरयल्ले, मुख्यमंत्री तुमकां ब्रीफ करतले योग्य तरेन की जे एक्झॅक्टली आमचे माय सजेशन ऑल्सो अँड मेनी पीपल सजेशन वॉज दॅट शुड बी अ कॅपिंग ऑफ पीपल कमिंग इन टू द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. सो जनरली वॉट एवर आय टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, that is the same line. Lot of people felt that certain activities have to be still kept on hold till MHA guidelines come. So unanimously, basically, what was discussed is the MHA, the guidelines jenna yetle, then based on that we will take a overall view as to how to move forward.
Even restaurants also?
Let them, because MHA guidelines are very important and crucial for us to understand. But slowly we have to accept the fact, and through you, my appeal as a health minister to the people of the state is be very strong and stringent measures have to be taken in terms of social distancing, wearing masks, sanitization. People are not following that. See, what is the difference between the US and other countries? Though they are having tremendous problems, people are strictly following the norms of social distancing. People are strictly following hygiene, sanitation and other things. People are sanitizing and other things. And people are also strictly following other measures such as wearing masks. And we have also, I think we should, in some areas we should start putting, we should immediately take strict action of people who don't follow the guidelines as far as masks.
3 patients have recovered. What do you have to say on that?
Good, no, it's, our recovery is one of the highest in the country. And the figures are going down. We went up to 66, 70, we came down to 50, we came down to 39, we came down to 31, 32, and now again 3 people. Just now I was seeing the reports from which have come, which is a very good thing, and I am confident under the guidance of the Chief Minister and overall as a team that we are functioning with my secretary Neela Mohanan, our Chief Secretary, Dean Goa Medical College Dr. Bandekar, and your Dr. Edwin and Dr. Aira, then you have the Director Health Service Dr. Disa. Issues will be there. Through the media I would like to also appeal to you. It is good when you bring something to our notice and we are able to take proactive steps. But one thing I would like to share from a medium, there's a confusion sometimes between some departments. We have very clearly said if a person comes COVID negative, there is no question of 14 days quarantine for him. So that we have already said. There are options which we have given. Either COVID negative certificate he comes with, or he comes with comes to go and does a COVID test and he becomes negative. Till then he is in his own house. And third is quarantine yourself for 14 days. So we have already said all this. So it's important to follow all these things and move forward. And most importantly, in this state of Goa, we want economic activity. We need to kickstart the economy. Same thing will be successfully possible if, as a state, we remain united to fight against COVID-19 as a team and follow the guidelines and SOPs given by the government. Every citizen has to follow it. In the evening you see it, morning you see it, Miramar, in the evening you see people are without masks. They feel that there is no COVID, there is no corona. I think it is important for us to understand that there is an issue. Today I have my mask is, I just threw it out, but other people will say, health minister himself is not wearing a mask.
Already there.
It's already there, so I also should be careful. That's why I'm making it very clear. Others, somebody took a picture the other day when I was, but overall, social distancing is a must. We need to take precautions, which are very important.
Like there are 2 ministers who are saying opening of restaurants in India.
No,
will it be a problem? Will it be a problem if restaurants are open?
If the restaurants can function at 50% because it will directly reduce the capacity of functioning to 50. But what Honorable CM was saying is let the MHA guidelines come. Within those guidelines, we'll see how to work. So whatever Chief Minister decides, as a Health Minister, whatever backup has to be done, we will give the backup.
Tomorrow is a Goa State Day, so
kind of we have to message to the people is let's be united. So, today I will not say the day. Today we have a state for last so many years, but tomorrow being a statehood day, our only thing is let's be united. Today's time is a very unprecedented time. United. On the occasion, let's make a pledge to be united and follow the guidelines given by the government to fight COVID-19.
Only lockdown
viral regarding the 108, the employees being...
I would like to tell you, there is one group which is instigating employees. I am filing a complaint under Section 188 of the Epidemic Act because there is a group that is instigating these people, and this is an emergency service, and this cannot work the way people are trying to make it work. There's an organization which you all know who's trying to instigate and try to, which is now कितें तरी उजो आनी फुजो म्हणून कितें तरी आहा ते उजो बिजो ते मागीर पळया उज्याक कशें पालोवपाचें तें पळया. पूण मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा, हांव जो पर्यंत आरोग्य मंत्री आहा हांव स्ट्रिक्ट कायदो धरून रावतलो आनी जे कोण जे एमर्जन्सी सर्वीस जे लोकांचे जिवना वांगडा खेळ खेळपाचो प्रयत्न करता दे हॅव नो प्लेस इन दॅट ऑर्गनायझेशन. व्हायरल कितेंय जावं देर इज नो डिसिजन. आय हॅव सॅक्ड approximately about 45 people as we speak.
So one more thing is that are you all facing a problem as far as जितले migrants वयताले migrants एका एरियान जायत आसा or something like that?
ना जाय तसं पण कळना.
No, म्हणजे तुम्ही जितले migrants हें करतात ते number of migrants are getting together to send them again and all.
धाडटा
आसतना गर्दी खूब जाता म्हणटा. सो तुमकां प्रॉब्लम बा जाता.
ट्रॅव्हल करपाक जेन्ना एके कडेन हाडटा तेन्ना खूब सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगाची
या that's what.
We have to, everywhere this is happening, we have to put,
Are you facing problem in that
we have
area?
created, we have to be cautious about it.
लॉकडाऊन ओनली लॉकडाऊन डिस्कस केला काय मोदीचे 1 वर्ष तेव्हा बी
ते
डिस्कस
बी एक वर्षाचे डिस्कस केला
कितें
पार्टी
जालें
प्रोग्राम ना. दॅट इज ऑल दॅट वी विल द पार्टी विल.
काल म्हापशा साहेब डिस्ट्रिक्टांनी
आताच सांगलें नाही सडनली स्पर्ट जाले आमी अपेक्षा भायर म्हणून आमी कितें केलां. आमचें एक सजेशन आसलें की परमीट सिस्टम परत चालू करूंक जाय म्हणजे आमकां अंदाज तरी येतलो सांजचे पर्यंत कितले लोक थंय येतले.
Okay.